Hi everybody, welcome to Candy. So today we've got for you a gorgeous Chanel. So this is a Chanel reversed chevron round flat bag. So it's in this really lovely chevron quilted lambskin leather, which is super soft. On the back we've got one flat pocket here, and we've got another leather top handle, as well as the long leather and chain plaited strap, which is kind of like that classic Chanel looking strap. We've got flap closure with CC turn lock fasten. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside we've got one main compartment, and then we've also got one flat zip pocket at the back, and then one flat pocket there. And this flat pocket here actually has, you can see just there, the serial code. And the serial code, the date code on there is 24, so it's a 2017 to 18 Chanel. You can see, if I just show it up to the camera, it has got a little red scribble through it, but that just means that it was a staff purchase, so that's what that little scribble means on the date code. So for the condition of this bag, we've called it very good all around. As I said, it's in this really beautiful soft lambskin leather, and I'll show you all around the bag. You can see it's still in really nice condition. These bottom corners are all also in very nice condition. There's barely any signs of wear to those corners. The only thing is just this small scratch. Can you see it there? Just on there. Get to focus on the camera, there we go. And that's why we called it very good. Interior, again, we've called very good for similar reasons. You can see that leather in general still looks very nice, but it's perhaps just a little bit sunken in there from where it's been stored maybe. And there's just a couple of marks here and there. But other than that, still in very nice condition. Hardware, again, we've called very good. These straps still look beautiful, and the little loops as well are still in really nice condition. And actually this bit here underneath the turn lock fasten actually still has the plastic seal on it as well. So that's in really nice condition. The only reason we call it very good is just this turn lock fasten here. You can see that it's kind of a little bit scratched. It's gone a little bit dull there. And that's the only reason that we've called it very good. So it's still really beautiful. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well, so you don't miss out on any other gorgeous bags like this one. So the Chanel comes with just the Chanel dust bag to keep it protected. For exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below, and it should hopefully take you directly to the link to shop this bag. If it's so, you can still get on our request list, which you do just by filling out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag or Chanel or whatever it may be, whether it's Gucci or Saint Laurent. Let us know, and we'll get you on our request list, which means that you get an email through whenever we get in through the door a bag that you like. We'll send you over an email with the link to shop, and hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So don't forget to get on our request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". If I'm just holding it by that top handle there, and it's a really nice size. It's not too big, but big enough to fit kind of your essentials for your everyday in there. And then if we have it by the long strap and have that on your shoulder, I find that sits a little bit low for me on my shoulder, so I prefer it as a crossbody, and then it sits at a little bit of a nicer height on me. So for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. You'll also find loads more beautiful bags, purses and wallets on there, so have a browse through the website, and you'll also find the option to sign up to our newsletter, which you can do by just popping your email into the little box at the bottom of every page, and we will send you through your welcome discount code, and hopefully that code should go straight to your inbox. If it doesn't, check your junk or your spam folder, and it should hopefully have gone in there. But don't forget to get your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, then get onto that page and it will tell you all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with more arm candy.